Hey there. I want to make this video. It's on a new computer. Uh, I'm testing the computer to see if it'll record video. There are several things that it's not doing. The computer seems to work fine. It's the software that I'm going to put back in, and it doesn't want to go in. Some of it. I haven't looked at it yet tonight, but been enough of a headache. I suppose a week ago, some family friends looked me up for something I could help them with, and then she asked me one day, "How am I doing?" And I said, "Well, I got all these parts here, and I'm stuck. I don't know how to put them together, this computer together." I realized well, it was the motherboard manual and the case manual that I thought that was all it would take with the fine print, but the fine print was so like Greek, Russian, and Polish language together that you couldn't understand. It was indecipherable. How to do that. So this family friend says, "How am I doing?" And I say, "I got the computer parts here. I can't put them together." She says, "Well, that's what her husband does for a living. He loves to do that." So isn't it beautiful things? God can work things out. It's one way of looking at that. And why that offends some people, like fucking stupid assholes. But can't mention God anywhere. But anywhere. And when I studied philosophy, they taught us no matter what religion you're studying, they have a God or gods. This is plural, but the English word for that is God, lower upper or lowercase. It don't matter. But so in philosophy class, that's what they said. That every God has a name. You don't call it. You just say God, and you mean that every religion means the same thing. The supreme being or upper level of existence in the end or whatever. I mean, ascension. Hopefully, you would think of floating upwards instead of diving down into a sea of an abyss. Philosophers think in strange ways. Uh, what did I want to say on this video? This was a test to see if this new computer's working. So his family friends said they could build a computer. We were over a week ago Friday. It was a week ago today now, my birthday. But I haven't even stopped for my birthday. I've been so nonstop. But I don't even think I had a drink for my birthday. 65th birthday. I didn't even have a drink. Not sticking with the generation I come from. But I think outside the box, as they say anyway, so far outside the known universe. Uh, so the computer's working now. It seems to be, but the software's still got problems I got to figure out. But everything else, if this video works, well, then I want to test it. I can't hear my keyboard through the speakers, man. I don't know what's wrong with the connections. They're all plugged back in the same way, I think. They should, everything's plugged. I have to run wires. It would really take two people to do that, to hold the wire and jiggle it while you pull another one on the other end to get the right wire. So I don't know how I'll figure the rest of this out, but eventually it will. Uh, so I don't know. I just realized looking at myself before I started the video and my rotten haircut. What would you do with this? I mean, you can't put hair back on there. I mean, and this is from the medication I take. You think this didn't blow my fucking mind when I found this out a year ago, last year, mid last year? And I looked it up, and it's true. It's from the antipsychotics that I take. Hair loss and extreme hair loss. Would that have made a difference to me if when I was 36 and they started me on this shit? They had told me they didn't know this then. I don't think it would cause hair loss. Was discovered later in years. So, man, that one really pisses me off, man. Uh, that chrome dome coming on. Anyways, so my problem is the keyboards won't play through the stereo, which goes through the computer to get to the stereo, or from the into the computer. Yeah, they go into the stereo from there. So it's a complicated thing. Set all shit up, but it seems to be working fine. The computer, it's a nice improved processor for the money. I mean, you can pay 3 times for a processor what I paid for this one, but or 4 times actually from what I was looking at. But for my purposes, it should be fine. Video processing, and I want to be able to record the keyboards and the video over there at the same time, and 2 different programs running in the computer. Was what bogged on the old computer. I said, well, this ain't gonna handle this. It's time to upgrade. Especially while it was a good time for me to do that. So anything personal. Hey, I love you people and you love me and show me love and show you respect. I guess that's what I would call it. But how long has it been on? 5 minutes and a half since. Well, you see my little flag back there. My little flag back. Where is it? Back there. Back that way. Yeah. So. Yeah, we're in USA, and I pay no attention to the news because you people want to argue too much left and right. No, I'm over it. Just shut the fuck up. Anyways, we'll see what this says. Okay, so have a nice day, whoever you are. Enjoy your night, evening, morning, noon, or wherever you're at in your day. Take care. Be safe.